Hi, good morning. Today we will see the isometric views. So the isometric view will be drawn from the given orthographic views. Let us go to the problem. So before going to the problem, subscribe my channel for more videos. This is the problem which is given. So two views of an object are shown in figure. Draw the isometric view of the object. All the dimensions are in mm. So here the two views are given. This is called as front view. This is called as front view, and this is called as top view. This is called as top view. So with these dimensions, we need to draw the isometric view of the this from these two views. Before drawing to isometric view, first we need to the isometric axis. One is vertical, the other two are 30 degrees. This will be 30 degrees. So this will be 30 degrees, and first we need to draw these isometric views. This is the first step. First step will be drawing the isometric views. Second step will be for this problem. First we need to draw the isometric view of the front view. Second step is front view isometric view. Isometric view. And the third step will be step 3 will be top view isometric view. Top view isometric view will correlate with the front view. So in three steps we are completing this isometric view. This is the solution for the given problem. Let us try to understand this problem. First we need to take the reference point 4. From this point, first we are drawing 30 degrees line to the horizontal. This is a 30 degrees line to the horizontal. This is isometric axis, and this is vertical axis of isometric. This is a vertical axis. The one more axis will be this one. This axis is called as isometric axis. So three axes are completed. This is first one, second one, and third one. So now let us see, draw the isometric view of the this is front view. This is the front view. First we need to draw the front view. First we need to draw the front view. So let us understand the dimension. So this is 25, and this is 25, and this is also 25, and this is 25. So total it will be 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25. So 100 mm, like 10 centimeters. So from this point you draw one line which is length of 100 mm. This line will be 100 mm. This line is 100 mm. Next one is locate this point 25 mm. Locate this point 25 mm. So locate this point 25 mm. Locate this one 25 mm. Now the height is height of this one is 20 mm. 20 mm. Now height is this. So on this axis you measure 20 mm. So next one is from this point also you measure 20 mm. So from this point you measure 50 mm. 50 mm. So from this point now you measure 20 mm. So from this point you measure 20 mm. And finally here you measure 20 mm. And this distance is given 25, and this distance is given 25. So you got the midpoint. So from this point you draw one join this line and join this point with this line. So now the front view portion is completed. Now at each corner you measure 60 mm. At each corner you measure 60 mm. So this is 60 mm line parallel to this axis. This is 60 mm line, and 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 this is 60 mm line. So now you join those ends in a sequential order. No, you join the ends in a sequential order like this. Join the ends in a sequential order like this. Join lines in the sequential order like this, parallel to this axis. So you will get the this is called as isometric view or three-dimensional view. so that we can clearly understand the front view, this front view, and also top view also we can clearly understand. So from this diagram, from side also you will get the side view also. So like this you can draw the isometric view of the given from the given projections. So these are the dimensions. We can, by using the dimensions, we can place the this dimension, this dimension, this dimension, this dimension, this one, and 20 and 20. No, so this height is 40. No, 20 plus 20. This height is 40. Like that, we can make the dimensioning also. So I hope you understand this problem. For more videos, no, you can subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribing button at the right side bottom of the corner of the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.